Converting percents to fractions, our first example is 120%. To convert this percent to a fraction, we're going to drop the percent sign and then multiply the number by 1 over 100. So we now have 120 times 1 over 100. 120 times 1 over 100 is 120 over 100. And that is our answer. 120% as a fraction is 120 over 100. This fraction can be simplified to 6 over 5. Our next example is 75%. We're going to convert this percent to a fraction. The first step is to drop the percent sign and then multiply the number by 1 over 100. Okay, so we now have 75 times 1 over 100, and 75 times 1 over 100 is 75 over 100. This fraction can be reduced to 3/4. 75% as a fraction is 3/4. And that is our final answer. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.